going on, guys? Excuse me while I talk over this loud exhaust. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. So, today's video is basically going to be about, because I get this a lot, and one of my friend Pugs just reminded me about it. It's going to be about how to get into a car build and how to start like a car YouTube channel. I'm no expert. I'm still a small YouTuber, but I know the basics about starting a a car YouTube channel, and I definitely know like how to start a car build. So yeah, I'm gonna head to work as usual. I'm gonna put the camera up top because I know you guys love these POV videos. I know a lot of you saw that the video was like on the right. It looked like I was right-hand drive. It's because the camera is upside down. So on Final Cut Pro, I have to like flip it and then flip it the other way. So it's a little annoying, but you guys get it. So as usual, it's Friday. Taking the car to work, and I guess when I get out of work, I'll find a spot to talk to you guys, show you guys, what to look for when you're getting into a car, and basically just how to start a YouTube channel. So let's get this morning started, guys. Alright guys, so I have about 6. I got some far ones. I gotta go on the highway. A lot of you are like, I know this car has more in her. Yes, she does have a lots more in her. But you guys gotta remember that I'm on local streets, so I can't be going crazy on these streets. First or second is just gonna spin. Second's gonna spin. Third is gonna catch traction. But I mean, if I start going in third gear, the shit's gonna start screaming. I'm gonna be flying. I'll probably be doing maybe like 100 and something. I'm not gonna be doing 100 or something on regular streets, And I'm gonna get on the highway now. And the thing about this highway is also there's cops that hide in these little like spots, so I can't really do anything either. And I'm not gonna get a ticket or anything, just to show you guys exactly what this car can do. If you guys, for a lot of you that have seen the video before, like have seen the videos before, know that she gets down when she needs to, when she has room, or when I have room, she gets down. So I promise you guys I'll make a video somewhere, somehow, of like an open strip or open place where I can show you guys how she gets down. Because in turbo cars, third and fourth is like the killer gear. It's like the see gear. So once I'm in third, that shit is literally taking off. Once I'm in fourth, I'm gone also. So. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these deliveries going. Might get some more POV, and then probably at the end, maybe at the end, I'll pull over to like a spot and probably just do the video show, telling you guys like what to look into when you're getting a build and starting a YouTube channel. So let's go. That VTEC open. So you see how it looks like it's empty and it's all good right here? So they literally be cops like and these things right here hiding, and then once you get to the other side, it's like a wall. They just wait for you on the other side. So once you pass them going fast, I say they catch you. literally when I said it, there was a cop right there waiting. Right here where I'm passing at, there's usually cops waiting right here also. Let's see if we'll see a cop here. They'll be right here hiding. Nope, didn't see anything right now. Alright guys, so finally out of work. I'm at my local favorite spot, you guys know here. And I was just looking, you guys can see, I'm low on fluid. And I just noticed, maybe because of that right there. See if you guys can see. You guys see that? Literally, my dump tube just like pushed the radiator in right there. So I don't know if it's leaking. I mean, I don't see any leak at my house or anything. I'm low on coolant, so I'm not too sure about that. Maybe I was low before. I'm not too sure. So I gotta definitely check that out. The only way I could tell if the radiator is messed up is by adding more antifreeze and just see what happens. I mean, I open up the cap, so hopefully it doesn't get any air inside of it, any air bubbles or anything. Pretty sure it won't, but I have the stuff in my house to, if it does anyways. But yeah, man, just noticed it. Just noticed it right there. So, and I noticed that the I don't know if the turbo's hot, but I seen a turbo, like the housing smoking. So maybe it's leaking oil. Maybe it's time for another turbo. Who knows? But I have another one in the house. I'll just take it to my dad's job to install it. This thing is it's a little bit of a headache. I'm not gonna lie. Gives a little bit of a headache because you have to take everything off. But to be honest, I'm just gonna wait for it to like actually like really start smoking so I could change it, because you guys seen with this manifold changing the turbo's gonna be a pain in the ass. I gotta literally take the piping, I gotta take everything off. So I mean, obviously you gotta do that when you put the turbo on, but when I have to put this manifold on, I have to disconnect the turbo, then disconnect the piping, intercooler piping, I have to disconnect all of that. So I might as well just wait, because maybe something wet touched it, like maybe ran over a puddle or something and water got on it. But I mean, I don't see any smoking from the turbo yet, so I'm just gonna wait for it to like really go. And the coolant, I'll just fill it up, and then I'll be consistently checking on it. And I gotta do this video quick before it starts raining, because it actually looks like it's gonna start raining right now. So yeah. All right, so this is how I start a build, or how I think about a build. Again, this is me. This is me. Everybody has their own opinions, how to start a YouTube channel, how to go into a build, and all of that. So I'm gonna give you what I do, or what I did getting into this build, because I get a lot of questions all the time, and as in how do I get into a car build, or how do I start building, or how do I start a YouTube channel for my car. So step one for me will be what type of project do you want? Do you want like a full-blown project like how this car was, where it was crashed, then I fixed it, then I painted it, changed everything, and you enjoy that? Some people enjoy building their cars from literally nothing to something, how this car was. Or you can build something that is already in good condition, and you just want to change some few you want to just change a few parts in it and just call it a day. The one thing about if you get into a car that's basically already in good condition, I'm not saying you have to get something that's in bad condition, because I wouldn't get anything that's like has rust or anything on it, but I'm talking about like if you get something that needs a lot of parts to be replaced, and you enjoy doing that, then that's good. That'll be good for your channel, because it'll bring you a lot of content, and it'll bring you more stuff to do to your car. So for instance, let's say the motor's gonna go on it, and you got to replace the motor. So you drive the car until the motor blows, you replace the motor, then let's say you do axles, you got to do axles on that, then you got to do, let's say you got to do your hubs, then you got to do your upper control arms, lower boy joint. All of that brings you content. So it depends on what you want to do. Like if you want to make like a big investment in it, because YouTube channel is all about putting money into your car. I've put a lot of money into this car, but I've slowed down because obviously I have a daughter. So if you notice, a lot of big YouTubers, they consistently dumping money into their car, doing this, doing that, doing this, engine swap, blah, blah, blah. So that brings a lot of content, does a lot of stuff. But if you're a small YouTuber like me, you don't have like, you know, millions of dollars and stuff like that, you can do small stuff to your car, as in always, you know, change stuff that you see is gonna be gone, or change stuff that needs to be replaced. It's gonna make your car better, look better. So there's a whole bunch of things that play into a build and a YouTube channel. Now, if you're not like a car guy that likes to, you know, make his car go faster, or performance parts, and you just want to do, let's say you just want to do like a stance build, or you know, just wheels and coils, and just call it a day. Stuff like that, you get tired of it quick. There's not really much you can do to it. Yeah, you could, you know, drop it, slam it, you can like camber it and stuff like that, but you're eventually gonna run out of stuff to do to the car if that's all you really want to do to the car, unless you start, you know, changing your wheels consistently, you know, change your seats and do a whole bunch of other stuff. But then that comes